Rychnov nad Gnieźno. The first written mention of the town dates back to the 13th century. Examples of famous people: Mr. Karel Palachek, a well-known writer, was born here, Mr. Easy Schlitter, a musician, and Miss Magdalena Dobremela Retigova all lived in the town of Rychnov. Rychnov was also the town of Mr. Alois Faborski, who established here in 1911 the plant Tovarna na Żelazne Zbożi Faborskie Asheda, later to become known as FAB. Hardly any product was adopted in colloquial Czech as well as Fabka, a synonym for a cylinder lock. The first cylinder lock of in-house design was manufactured here in Fab in 1932. In those dates, on the bow of the key, which is an integral part of the lock, the legendary watchdog was also proudly illustrated for the very first time. After the death of Mr. Alois Faborski, his son took over the management of the company, and in 1948 the company was nationalized, and then in 1992 the company was again privatized. An important milestone of the present times was the year 1997, when FAB became part of the global group Assa Abloy. In 2005, it was decided by Assa Abloy to establish Rychnov as a center of manufacturing excellence for cylinder locks and padlocks. As a result of this new group strategy, it was decided an extension of the FAB manufacturing footprint was required. This was in the shape of a brand new production hall to be built. The entire project was created and completed in record time. A decision was taken at the end of May 2006, a building permit was issued in February 2007, and the hall was fully completed in a 6-month period. In the course of a century, the manufacturing plant in Rychnov produced 100 million cylinder locks, around 500 million keys, and about 35 inventions and patents were registered. The annual production from 2006 to 2013 increased 6 times. At present, the plant in Rychnov manufactures for more than 15 European brands for the group, with over 8 million cylinder locks and padlocks being exported to more than 25 countries around the world per year. The priority of the company management is the continuous improvement in all the areas of the plant. The manufacturing system, called 4K, thus represents the main attitudes and values: quality, competence, kaizen and culture, and shows the way to become a prosperous global company. Achieving this goal is through the committed 4 basic pillars: people, environment, machinery and processes. The plant in Rychnov is therefore based particularly on human resources and the latest technology in machines. The programs of totally productive management and lean logistics are the basic building blocks of the current and also the future success of the plant. In the last few years, an amount in excess of €40 million has been invested, of which more than €6 million has been used to ensure the occupational safety of employees within the company and also protecting the environment. 4 subsidies from the European Union have significantly promoted the technological development and also the development centre, which is now one of the few selected centres of the group. Designers work on the development of the FAB brand and are also involved in international development projects of the group in the field of mechanical locks, padlocks and electromechanical systems. The development centre is supported by a prototype laboratory and a modern accredited testing laboratory. Assa Abloy is, according to the renowned Forbes magazine, among the top 80 most innovative companies in the world. In 2013, its events surpassed Apple in the extent of innovation. Today, the plant of Assa Abloy is the heart of the whole group in the production and development of cylinder locks and padlocks. The company established by Mr. Alois Faborski 100 years ago still today continues to thrive through its focused, dynamic development.